Hello world. So this is my AR project. Okay, and this was designed in Figma. So this is the UI. Actually, it's just something related to augmented reality, just so students have experiential learning. Okay, so we can view it here as a prototype. So the main page, then we have this scrollable listing. So we have various um, biological parts that you can play with. But for now, we are basing on the digestive system. That's the only clickable component here. So you click, it takes you to this screen. Then you can click on this here, and then you get what's videos. You can click on view in space, or you can get this. Okay, so something like a story or status for micro learning based on the particular 3D model. So if it's the digestive system, you get topics, micro learning topics on digestive system. If it's the animal cell, similar. Okay. Then we have the questions. So for the questions, so we have this here. Okay, so you can have some questions, and which of the numbers in the chloroplast of the animal is the chloroplast of the animal cell? So which is number 2, and then you just type 2. Okay, and then if it's correct, it will give you the response. If it's wrong, it will give you the response. Then select any of these ones to also take test on. Okay. We also have the chatbots. So the chatbots, when I click on it, okay, so hi, I am your science bot. So you can ask this bot any questions based on educational topics or based on the model that you are currently viewing or interacting with. You can decide to view the model in your space. Since it's a desktop application and AR don't work on like desktops, the user will need, so it will generate a QR code. The user needs to scan. Just so once after scanning, the user gets this. So the user gets this. So there's the physical space, and then there's the digestive system, the model. You can interact with it, and you can click on this to go back to the main UI. But since there's a mobile within a desktop kind of this thing, it doesn't show in the preview. So this is how it looks. Okay. Then the user can interact with it in their physical environment. So aside this particular quiz, we have this quiz where it's draggable or drag and drop. So when I click on this, it takes us to this quiz. And then you can drag, okay, to fill the parts, okay, and then you get scored. Okay, so you have the label, drag the correct label to the parts. So these are the labels. These labels were here, okay, the liver and then the stomach. So you can drag them to the desired place, and then you get scored. Yeah, thank you.